Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends. Today I am going to tell you about a wonderful website from which you can earn a wonderful income of if you are visiting for the first time. Click on my channel and click on the bell icon button so that all my incoming videos research your first and link to this website. The name of the website will be found in the description. Stay away from our copies. Our token will not be launched within 1 month. Please check that you are on the correct Telegram channels. Official Telegram token Mega Funder Telegram chat. Go to Telegram Semega Charity Meganomics original supply $1 Semega tax on each swap 3 redistribution to holders 4% contribute to liquidity 3 contribute to charity wallet. The power of hold in every swap holders will get 3% mega tokens. What is mega? Earth needs to breathe. Make Earth green again is running on the Binance Smart Chain net. Our aim to make the world a better and livable place. The task of be challenging and meaningful, but the change of I like this read it all. Rookful light paper is click for interface. Light paper Semega our mission. I like this read it all. Why cryptocurrency? I read this it all. Varian thank you. I read it's all. Rug proof liquidity will be locked for 2 years and Semega has renewed our ship. Charitable 3% of the transaction goes to the charity wallet. Burnable tokens will be burned by a team in the controlled manners. Look it. Deforestation. The trees are the most important things for us to live. Unfortunately, we lose our trees for other uses such as agriculture, croplands, urbanization. I like this read it all. Look it. Climate change. We worrying on word out a lot. Climate change is an extremely complex problem which is economic problems. If you don't start going something we want to available to live in the future, read out for it. Marine pollution. One of the virtual environmental problems in marine pollution. Terrestrial waste are the main cause of pollution caused by pollution growth, industrialization and sea transportation. There are not only fish in the sea but also packaging waste, disposal, plastic, chemical waste, fishing nets. Marine pollution affects on only us but also sea creatures and this can causes the balance to deteriorate. I like read it all. Our bodies we definitely see cute cats, goats and birds. Will showing affection for these animals take us one step further. Feeding a hungry animal and finding a home for the stray ones is the completely different feeling. Look it our roadmap. Semega roadmap is flexible and will evolve with the I like this read it all. Page 1 website 1 the website launch. Light paper release creation of social media token launch on PancakeSwap. First donation from charity wallet. Page 3 first AMA audits community vote system creation of mega. Page 4 look it. Team Horam Yasin Murad. Fact. What is Semega make earth green again is a token running on BSC. Holders increase their income. Will the tokens that come to the donations wallet or donate to charities? Our aim to make the world a better and livable place. Semega not only helps people but also all the living beings. What does this coin exit? what are the transfer fees, how this token is rug free, how to buy Semiga, what are your social media accounts, you how charities will be selected when Semiga will be listed on CoinGecko, coin market cap, etc. What is the contract address? Like this, read it all and look it. Okay friends, Allah Hafiz.